Detox Patches. The rapid influx of wellness programs and alternative medications have ushered in some highly interesting products in the healthcare market today. This is mainly in response to the rising awareness of illnesses and diseases that can be attributed to environmental toxins we all expose ourselves to every single day. The accumulation of harmful toxins in our body over the years can circulate in our bloodstreams that can greatly contribute to a number of ailments, primarily concentrated to a person's liver. One of the most fascinating products available today is the Detox Patches, or otherwise known as Sap Sheets, which claims to significantly help in flushing out the toxins in our body. These detox patches are actually made from natural vinegars extracted and derived from Ubame Oak and Bamboo. The patches are applied in the soles of a person's feet and are said to effectively absorb toxins and waste products directly from our body. This will further result to considerable improvements on the body's metabolism and the circulation of the blood. It was the Japanese who first developed the detox patches as a form of alternative medicine. The fundamentals of Japanese medicine are largely based on the belief that the well-being and good health of a person would largely depend on unimpeded blood circulation. They also believe that diseases are but imbalances caused by the interaction between man's constitution and his environment. Our soles are believed to be our second heart since it has the most number of capillary nerves in our entire body. This is the main reason why the detox patches are applied directly to the person's soles, since it has the reactors directly connected to the internal organs. Once removed, the individual can easily see the evidence of the toxins absorbed by the patches, characterized by dark and gooey marks. With frequent use, individuals can see the difference. The toxin marks will become less visible, which means majority of the toxic wastes were already absorbed. Individuals are advised to use the patches on both soles for 5 consecutive nights to allow a more thorough detoxification process. Through the years, people have become more cognizant on their own health. The availability of alternative home remedy kits encourages everyone to be more active in maintaining their own personal wellness. The keen awareness and healthy fear of acquiring incurable diseases and serious ailment have made us all vigilant in caring for our system. Alternative and conventional medicine have finally reached a compromise of sorts to provide people options to a better health and ultimately a longer lease of life.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.